Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then excisional biopsy. Okay, excisional biopsy. In excisional biopsy, the advantages are in excisional biopsy, we will excise the whole tissue and we will send it for histopathological examination. So advantages are because we are excising the whole tissue, so false negative results are very rare in this condition. And here we can get the complete histology, we can obtain complete histology before we do treatment decision. It may serve as a definitive lumpectomy also if there is no malignancy. Then the disadvantages in excisional biopsy are, in the disadvantages, excisional biopsy is it is expensive. Number one, it is also more painful. Then it can create an incision will be created in order to excise the tissue. Then there can be cosmetic deformity can occur due to the excisional biopsy.
thank you and thank you for watching.